How to stop quick save on Pinterest. Hello and welcome to Tech TV. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can stop quick saves on Pinterest. Begin by opening your Pinterest application on your mobile device. On the feed, when you come across an image that you want to save, simply tap on it. By default, Pinterest may save the image directly to your profile instead of allowing you to save it to a specific board. Now to fix this issue, tap and hold the image until you see the pin icon appear. Once the pin icon appears, slide your finger to that icon. This action will prompt a window to appear where you can select the board where you want to save the pin. From the list of boards that appear, select the appropriate board for the pin. Then the pin will successfully save to that board. By following these steps, you can stop quick saving on Pinterest and ensure that your pins are saved to a correct boards. However, please note that there isn't a specific feature to disable the quick save feature on Pinterest. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.